In this quick guide, we're going to show you how to use Livestorm for virtual networking events and help you maximize its features. Whether you're hosting an online conference, a webinar, or a networking event, Livestorm offers everything you need to engage with your audience in real time. And today, we'll walk you through the key elements. First, let's talk about the interface. When you first log into Livestorm, you'll notice its user-friendly dashboard. This makes it easy to set up your event and manage everything from scheduling to follow-ups. Whether you're tech-savvy or just getting started, the platform's simplicity is one of its strongest points. To set up a virtual networking event, click on Create Event and select the type of event you want to host. For a networking event, you'll want to choose the networking template. Livestorm's templates are designed to help you hit the ground running without worrying about formatting. Once you've selected your event type, it's time to customize it. Livestorm allows you to add your branding, choose colors, and upload logos, so your event looks polished and professional. This customization helps make the experience feel personal and tailored to your brand, which is crucial for engagement. Now, let's dive into the networking features. One of the most powerful aspects of Livestorm is its networking rooms. These are virtual spaces where attendees can meet and interact with one another. You can set up automatic matchmaking based on user profiles, interests, or any criteria you choose. This helps ensure that the right people are connecting during the event. Another great feature is the breakout rooms. If you want to create smaller, more intimate networking groups, Livestorm allows you to split attendees into different rooms. This is perfect for group discussions, workshops, or 1.1 meetups. You can also set up pre-event questionnaires to help gather information from participants so you can personalize the experience for them and make those connections even more meaningful. Don't forget the power of live interaction. Livestorm lets you run Q&A sessions during your event, and attendees can ask questions in real time. This is a fantastic way to keep everyone engaged and allow for dynamic conversations to unfold. You can also poll your audience during the event to get instant feedback, ensuring that you're addressing their needs throughout. For follow-ups, Livestorm offers automated emails and analytics that track attendee engagement. You'll be able to see who attended, who interacted with your event, and how long they stayed. This gives you the data you need to follow up with the right leads and nurture relationships after the event ends. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, Livestorm's features are designed to scale with your needs. And best of all, you can try it for free with an exclusive extended trial through the first link in the description below. This means you can get started right away without any upfront investment. If you're planning a virtual networking event, Livestorm is a tool that should definitely be on your radar. The platform is powerful, easy to use, and designed to make your events memorable and effective. By using its features strategically, you can create an engaging experience for your attendees that will lead to real, valuable connections. Remember, if you're ready to dive in, check out the exclusive offer we've got for you and start using Livestorm today.